If you're looking for health extension dog food, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Health Extension. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Health Extension. Number 3. Get your favorite Health Extension dog food now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Cedar Crate Market. Number 5, by Health Extension. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.